My dear students, I am going to explain you practical applications of reflection of sounds. So first is speaking boards, which are used in the auditoriums, large halls. Then is ear trumpet. This ear trumpet is used by the person who is hard of hearing. Then it is a stethoscope, which is used by the doctors. Okay, and then there is echoes, phenomenon of echoes. This phenomenon of echoes is also based on reflection of sound. Yeah, and then comes the speaking tubes. These speaking tubes are placed behind the speaker, and then these speaking tubes concentrate the sound, and it just you can say amplifies in different directions. So these are the practical applications of reflecting of sound waves. Thank you.